Your face is pale. Are you okay, Linda? Are you sick? No, I'm trying to lose weight. I only eat 1 egg a day. Oh my gosh, that's not healthy. You will be exhausted. To lose weight, you need to have a healthy diet and limit sweets and fatty foods. At the same time, you need to exercise every day. Losing weight too quickly is not good. If you keep doing this, you will faint. I want to lose weight for the summer. You're right. I will listen to you and try to lose weight healthier. In the spring. Spring has come. Let's go on a holiday. I agree. Spring is one of the best times to visit a new area. I suggest we go to Cannon Beach. What's interesting there? Cannon Beach is a charming coastal city in Oregon and is beloved as a romantic destination. Oh, really? Yes, in spring, we can enjoy the pleasant weather. On the other hand, we can explore the small boutique shops and quaint cafes that line the downtown area. Sounds good to me. Then it's decided. We're going there this weekend. Okay, I will find out information and prepare our luggage. I will book flights and hotels. Deal.
Hey, waiter? How can I help you? How long until my dish will be served? The kitchen is making it because the restaurant is quite busy. So, please wait a few minutes. I've been waiting for a while. Why is it taking so long? I don't care. I want my food served right now. That's not possible, sir. Your dish will probably be available in about 10 minutes. Please wait. What's with your attitude? I don't want to eat here anymore. I'm leaving now, and I will give this restaurant a 1-star review. Excuse me, sir. I am Bill, the manager of this restaurant. Today, the restaurant is a bit crowded. We're very, very sorry. I understand your frustration, so your dishes will be discounted 20%. And your dish will be available in 5 minutes. Okay, Just this time. I hope you understand this situation. Have you ever worked a part-time job? When I was a freshman, I usually had a part-time job. I worked as something such as a waiter and a tutor. It helped me gain a lot of experience. How about you, Brian? What part-time jobs have you had? I've worked as a part-time editor. Wow, what does an editor do? I'm responsible for editing news related to current affairs, as well as collecting information for the printed editions. Good for you! That work will help you a lot in the future. Yes, thank you. You guys are so hardworking. I've never had a part-time job. You can find a part-time job. By taking a job, you can obtain valuable work experience. Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. If you need any help, let me know. I'll help as much as possible. Thank you. I appreciate that. You look sad today. Did something happen?
I got a bad grade at school today.
Cheer up. I believe in the next exam, when you try harder, your grade will improve.
I know, but I am still upset about that.
Come on, let's go play basketball. It will help improve your mood.
How do you know I feel better when playing basketball?
Because I am your father, I know playing basketball is what makes you happy.
That's right. How about you, Dad? What makes you happy?
I'm most happy when I'm with you and your mother.
It's nice to hear that, Dad.
You look sad today. Did something happen?
I got a bad grade at school today.
Cheer up. I believe in the next exam, when you try harder, your grade will improve.
I know, but I am still upset about that.
Come on, let's go play basketball. It will help improve your mood.
How do you know I feel better when playing basketball?
Because I am your father, I know playing basketball is what makes you happy.
That's right. How about you, Dad? What makes you happy?
I'm most happy when I'm with you and your mother.
That's nice to hear that, Dad. Great job! You finished the practice. How do you feel about today's lesson? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Remember to come back and practice with this video again and again to improve your speaking and listening skills. Thanks for joining Practice English with Jessica today. See you next time.